all? I hope you are all fine. I am Shiv Ahmed, your computer teacher. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is more on MS Word 2007. Now in this video we are going to discuss different components of MS Word 2007. First we have to open our Microsoft Word file. First we have to click on start button, then search over here Windows Microsoft Office. Now just click on it. Now open your Microsoft Word, Microsoft Office Word 2007. Now this is your Microsoft Word document. Now let's start. First we have to discuss the Quick Access toolbar, which you can see over here. This is called the Quick Access toolbar. It contains different options, just like first option is save, then second one is undo, then third one is redo, which we frequently use command. Now the next is title bar. This part is known as title bar. This bar is called as the title bar, which has a document name. When you have to give any name of your file, the name is show over here. Now next is, these are the first one is minimize button, next one is restore or maximize button, next one is close button. Now the first minimize button, when we have to click on it, it minimizes the window. Next is restore or maximize button. When we have to click on this button, our window gets restore or maximize. Now the last one is close button. If we have to click on it, we close our window. Now the next is ribbon. This whole part is known as ribbon. This whole section is known as ribbon. Ribbon is displayed just below the title bar. This one is the title bar and this one is a ribbon. Now the next is work area, where we have to type the text. This part is known as the text area. This is my computer class. This part is known as the work area, where we have to type our text. Now the next part of the Microsoft Word 2007 window, that is status bar. This part is known as status bar. The status bar give you the basic information about the document, like how many pages you have to use, then how many words you have to type, etc. Okay. Now next is dialog box launch bar. This is known as dialog box launch bar, which give you a many options, just like first the clipboard, next one is font, next one is paragraph, and next one is style. When you have to click on this one is your dialog box or dialog box launcher. Now here you have to change the font style, font size. Okay. Now you have to set the paragraph setting with the help of dialog box launch bar. You have to change the line size or headings and many more. You can change with the help of this dialog box launch bar. Now in different dialog box launch bar contain different options. There are the clipboard first, Then next one is font, next one is paragraph, and next one is style. Now we have to discuss about the next topic. Next is ruler. Now vertical ruler. This is your vertical ruler. It is located at left of the document window, left hand side of the document window, and it is used to set the top and bottom margin of the document. You have to set the top and bottom margin with the help of vertical ruler bar. And the next one is horizontal ruler bar. It is located at the top of the document window, and it is used to set the left and right margin. You have to set the left and right hand side margin of the page. Now this one is scroll bar. You can move your window up and down with the help of scroll bar. Now the next one is view toolbar. Now this part is known as view toolbar. This bar located at the right hand side of the status bar. This one is status bar at the left hand side. At the right hand side is your view toolbar. Now view toolbar is provide you to a tool to adjust the size of the documents. Like first one is just a print document, full screen, reading, web layout, etc. Now this one is print layout, next one is full screen reading, and next one is web layout. Now the next discuss about the zoom bar. This is your zoom bar. You have to minimize your page. Just you have to click on minus sign. If you increase the size of your page, just you have to click on plus sign. The standard size of your page is 100%. Okay, this one is the standard size, that is 100%. Now these are the tab. There are different tab over there. That is first is home tab. Now next is insert tab. There is also different options over there. Page layout tab, reference tab, mailing, review, view. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tabs over here. They have different options over there. Okay, now this one is your office button. Office button contains the option that is new, open, save, save as, print, prepare, send, publish, or close. Close the window, just you have to click on close button. Now this is the introduction of your Microsoft Word 2000 Office Word.